MSc 401 Introduction to Engineering and Technology Management. Final project presentation by Team D. Professor Dr. Mark Rajai. Project title: Exploring Food Wastage and Reduction at Geronimo's. Introduction. In the current project, our team analyzed the food wastage issues faced by our university dining hall Geronimo's and root causes for the same. We have chosen another university dining hall of CSULA as our research case and benchmarked methodologies and current practices against the dining hall with our real case study. This project targets at analyzing the causes of the problems and finding solutions respectively. For this purpose, Geronimo's dining hall was chosen for real case study. Based on our analysis, we have made a problem statement, objectives and strategies. This helped us study and resolve the problem in a better manner. Objectives: to identify the root cause of food wastage at Geronimo's food court. To reduce the food wastage from 30% to 10%. To improve communication within management. To have a system that will collect and record data in an ordinate way. Strategies: contacting and interviewing the various staff and managers at Geronimo's and inquire the reasons for the food wastage at the same. A seasonal trend forecasting model should be followed by Geronimo's for an appropriate estimate of demand and reduce the waste. Having daily meetings of the dining hall staff to discuss the issues and think of continuous improvements, and taking daily feedback from the customers, students/faculty. To develop an app that will keep the data of meals served every day by pressing a buzzer when a meal is served. Research case. In this case, we considered University Club, CSULA's dining hall. They offer good quality food at affordable prices. The restaurant is managed by students in an effective way. The purpose of this research case was to find out college students' food waste perceptions and the strategies they use to reduce them related to cafeteria menu items in the university dining operations. During the day of audit, the employees at the University Club gather the leftover food and weigh it every hour in order to keep an account of the quantity of food getting wasted, followed by separating it into 3 different trash buckets. The food is collected in different bins for different type of foods. Through this, the food wastage was measured effectively using this methodology in the University Club. Real case. Geronimo's is an on-campus dining hall at California State University Northridge, managed by the University Corporation. This is the only place on campus where a buffet is offered. We performed a case study on the flow of customers, food waste management system and the procedures carried out in Geronimo's. We made appointments and scheduled meetings with the manager and head of the organization to study the day-to-day demand of food. Major findings of the real case study include: daily demand is not being properly planned and forecasted. There is no proper inventory management. The daily food menu is not proper. Staff management is improper. Food quality is not good. No awareness among customers about the food wastage. Lack in new technology. Highlights and results. Objective 1. To identify the root cause of the problem at Geronimo's food court. We conducted a survey for the manager, current employees at Geronimo's, and some of the customers with the help of a questionnaire. Then the data was analyzed to find the probable causes of food wastage. Results. After conducting the survey and doing proper analysis, we came up with the results that there was a possibility that 60% food wastage was due to improper demand planning, 30% was due to poor food quality, and 10% due to other factors. Objective 2. To identify techniques to reduce the food wastage from 30% to 10%. This objective was met by developing a forecasting model that will forecast demand daily. Results. From the data collected and analyzed, the best method for proper demand planning was an appropriate forecasting model, wherein only the daily meals served should be put in and the system will do the rest, and you will get the forecasted value. The different forecasting models are: simple moving average, single exponential smoothing, linear trend. Out of them, linear trend turned out to be the best one as it gives us minimal error. Objective 3. To improve communication within the management. Communication plays a significant role in order to make an organization successful right from the top level to the lower management levels. In order to meet this objective, we came up with certain time schedules for the day-to-day meetings within the organization. Results: we scheduled daily Scrum meetings for the employees every fortnight. The employees will be notified by the manager about the meeting well in advance. The meeting hours will be paid hours for the employees, so that all of the employees will attend the meeting. Objective 4. To have a system that will keep the count of daily meals served. To fulfill this objective, we prepared an app which will keep a count of meals served every day. This data will then be used for demand forecasting. Results: the daily demand would be anticipated with the help of counters or buzzers which are installed at every cuisine. Working of the application: the counters will have a preset value as a limit, and if the limit is reached, the count will again start from 0. The chef notes how much food has been made every day in the morning and enters in the app. When the customer collects the food every time, they will have to press the buzzer which is placed at their side, so that at the end of the day, the organization will know what type of food has more or less demand among the customers. The counter is connected to the app, and so it counts the no of times the target is being achieved. By this, we'll know the amount of wastage per cuisine and can later develop the ways to reduce it. Recommendations: create awareness about the food wastage among the students and faculty. Put up hoardings talking about the food wastage all over the campus. Check the quality of the food coming in the dining hall, especially the fruits and vegetables. Proper planning of purchasing the inventory. The wastage should be measured, which is not being done currently. Dining should go trayless, which prevents the customers to carry more food than required. Sustainable menu planning should be done. Reducing the plate size can prove a good option to reduce food wastage. Conclusion: the techniques used by Geronimo's weren't accurate enough for them to prevent food wastage. The main reason for the wastage was improper forecasting and communication within the management. By talking to the employees, customers, and the higher management of Geronimo's, we formulated a plan for them to achieve minimal wastage. After careful observation, we developed the right forecasting model, which is linear trend model. Also, the usage of the counter or a buzzer helped us achieve our objective of reducing the wastage from 30% to 10%. We have made a few recommendations as well for them to overcome the problems faced and improve their efficiency. We sincerely thank Professor Dr. Mark Rajai for his guidance throughout the semester.